Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to disable new followers notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. With a recent update, the process has become even more straightforward. If you're looking to enjoy your Twitter experience without the distraction of constant follower notifications, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your X account by logging in. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and click on More. This will expand a menu with several options. Next, from this menu, choose Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can adjust various settings for your account. After that, click on Notifications. Here, you'll find everything related to how you receive notifications on your account. Now go ahead and click on Preferences and then select Push Notifications. This will take you to a list of different notification settings you can customize. Locate the option labeled New Follower and make sure to uncheck it. This simple step will turn off those notifications, giving you a more peaceful experience on X. Finally, don't forget to click the Save Changes button to ensure your new settings are activated. And that's it. You've successfully disabled new follower notifications on X. Enjoy a more focused and enjoyable time scrolling through your feed.